Hi everyone, Michael Muth of Slide Products here. I'm back with this month's video tip of the month. This month's topic is clogged mold vents. Resin or gas buildup inside the mold is a silent profit killer. It forces your cycle times to creep up and pushes your scrap rates higher as the venting clogs. Now, waiting until the mold fails and parts aren't being produced means you've already lost hours of production to slow cycles. By treating mold cleaning as a preventative maintenance step based on predictive cycle time data, you ensure the press stays at peak performance, helping you produce products, parts, and profits. The bottom line, if your cycle time is slowing down, your mold is likely already gasping for air. Clean the vents before the buildup forces you to stop. Slide offers a mold cleaning best practices file that we would be happy to share with you at no charge. That file addresses the best practices and products that we have found helpful to avoid and help clean clogged mold vents. Search mold cleaning best practices on Slide's website. Help download that file. And thank you for being a Slide customer.